Hi guys, welcome back to the Mountain Nights. So let's talk about who actually Sherpas are. Well, whatever I'm going to say is based upon the empirical research resources, right? And I'm saying this on the authority of these resources and research work, right? So Sherpas basically is the name given to ethnic group, which originally was in Tibet. Now, due to various reasons, one of them is trade and other aspects of human civilization, and by the virtue of fluid borders, people used to travel to and fro between Nepal and Tibet. Right now, it so happened, long story short, during 15th and 16th century, a huge population of Sherpas got concentrated in Nepal region, especially in Solukhumbu district. Right now, many people think that Sherpas only are in climbing, and Sherpa is the name of profession. No, that's not how it is, right? So when they concentrated in Solukhumbu, so Solu is a district which is at lower altitude. Their prominent activity is farming, apart from some other activities also, as per the modern world. And Khumbu is a region which is towards the Everest, that is high altitude. Over there, little bit of terrace farming happens, and most of the people, by the virtue of mountaineering and exploration picking up during the British era, got well versed and acquainted with opportunity to earn money through trekking and associated activities. So you'll have many lodges, hotels, restaurants, guiding, portering, and similar kind of activities done by people in the Khumbu region, right? So now, if you see, it's not only the people belonging from Sherpa ethnic group involved in mountain guiding, right? If you do actual research work and find out, you'll see that there are people from different groups involved in climbing. There are people from Sherpa ethnic group, Tamangs, right, Gurungs, right? So this is how it is. Now, apart from that, Sherpas have been involved in various other professions. Their kids are into medical field. Many of them are doctors. They are preparing for becoming a doctor. Many of them are into commercial airlines. They are settled abroad. Huge population is into adventure activities, and a lot of them have retired and they are conducting their other businesses and works, right? So if you want to read more about all this, you can read the book by Squad Leader Dr. Tulika Rani, who is ex-Indian Air Force officer and who has done her PhD on Sherpas of Solukhumbu region, their social and economic evolution. The book is flashing on the screen. The book is available on the Amazon.